Hi! In front of me is TCL 206, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this TCL. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose sound and vibration. Then you need to click on phone ringtone and vibrate, and over here click on the switcher next to also vibrate for calls if you wish to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then click on the back button, scroll all the way down and tap on more sound settings. Now you can turn on or off that vibrations by tapping on the switcher over here, and you can also tap on haptic feedback vibration duration to adjust intensity of it by swiping left or right. To save your changes, click on OK. To set up default vibration duration settings, click on default. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!